when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You made me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be heading out to Sacramento and we're about to be going to Cody Boas, aka Horsepower Fab. For those that don't know who Cody is the one who pretty much did the truck build. He did the fab work and the custom turbo kit setup on the Turbo Silverado. So today we're going to be going to Cody's. Cody hasn't seen the truck since I picked it up, so he hasn't seen the color match front and everything all, you know, fixed up and stuff like that. So we're going to be going there today, but that's not the point. The point isn't to show Cody the truck. We're going to be going over there. We're going to be getting the truck on the lift, and we're going to be installing these sway bars right here. I've been waiting for these sway bars for the last, I want to say 2.5 months or so. So they finally arrived Saturday. But you guys know that I've been at the hospital with Granny and dealing with that stuff. I actually just got back from the hospital. I was there all morning. But yeah, left a little early. That way we can get this done. So update for y'all on Granny. I think either later today or possibly tomorrow they're going to be moving her out of the hospital. And she's going to be starting her physical therapy. So she is doing a lot better, man. So again, thanks for everybody for the prayers and all that. Like I always tell y'all, my Granny is y'all Granny. You know, it was, you know, a little rough week, but appreciate y'all reading all the comments and stuff, saying nothing but positive love. Everybody was sharing experiences and stuff with, you know, their grandmothers and stuff like that. So, you know, even though I didn't respond to anybody, I read through a lot of the messages, and I just want to say thank y'all greatly for all that, man. You know, when you down, reading positive shit like that is just kind of like fulfilling. It kind of just brings you to spirit. It allows you to just take that deep breath and woosah. So again, thank y'all. But yeah, today, man, this is what we're about to be throwing on. All right, got everything loaded up. Let's get to Cody Boas. All right, so y'all already know, back Mr. Boas, and the crowd goes wild.
Hey, I'm glad you're back.
Woo, we close. You good?
Hey, you hear that? What is that?
It's that exhaust leak.
Oh.
It's cool. We'll handle that today.
Is that where I go drive it now?
Yeah, go take it around the block.
Want me to go take it around the block?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ooh, slapping in here. Be careful, man.
We'll hear him go by probably.
Tires are off that thing.
Yeah, all the thing does is spin anyway. You gotta be going from like a 50. We'll see if he goes by this way. Spinning.
We had a little issue here.
Oh, she caught on flame?
Yeah. It was this joint right here. We got off the dyno and they were bringing it back. It was leaking fuel. Like, you smell fuel? You popped the hood, the thing's on fire.
Oh shit. He's over here burning rubber. Damn, this thing's going home today, ain't it?
Yeah, we just replaced all the burn stuff. This was burned.
That's why I always keep a fire extinguisher.
Yeah, because they were gonna take the little one, little tiny ass one you saw in there.
Like the big dad.
One in there.
Yeah.
Big one in there.
It happens.
Popped the hood, burned the whole entire thing over here.
At least it didn't burn down.
No, yeah.
How much did it make?
It made 6 psi. This coupler was bad. It made like about 400. He's gonna turn it up to 8. We'll make around 440. The butt dyno.
The booty dyno.
Yep.
It's not bad.
It's pretty nice.
It's a 5.3.
All-wheel drive.
Huh? What's rubbing?
Something's rubbing.
Ain't nothing rubbing.
Something's rubbing.
Nothing rubs.
Something's rubbing.
It's not rubbing.
Something's rubbing.
It's not rubbing.
Man, there's a bunch of fire, like smoke came out the bag.
Hey, ain't nothing rubbing.
I mean, I don't know.
I heard
like
you.
The tires were rubbing on the thing.
Uh-huh.
It was like doing this weird thing.
Uh-huh.
Smoke came out. And
I heard you burning rubber.
I don't know what to talk about. A lot of fun here.
So what you think?
You know what it does? It does the G-body shuffle. Where it goes, whoa,
Yeah.
and like this side kick out, and then you're like, okay. Then you give it a little bit of break, and then it kind of just bakes them a little bit more, and then all of a sudden it starts going this way. You're like, okay, bud. Wow, this thing, hey, see? That's how you know it got wild. Oh, whoops.
Whoopsie.
Yep. She's already doing the sideways shuffle. It's a good time.
Yeah,
Man, this thing rips.
Yeah, it's cool.
So, it rips
Still-
pretty good.
Mine looks way better than that one though. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm the prototype, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because you got the heat wrap, you know, and the boost clamps. What happened here? Whoa, what happened here?
What happened here?
Man, you got like some coolant leakage going on. What's going on over
Probably
here?
just no. This is nice fiberglass. That's from the body shop.
Fiberglass dust. Okay, that's what it
Yeah,
is.
ain't no cooling over here, man.
Okay, okay.
I haven't washed it, nothing.
Man,
Toting up.
You got a stretch belt now? I heard you, Mike.
Yeah, dude. The day I had put it on, I had called you. I had called you like, let me tell this fool before he puts the fucking.
It's all
Yeah.
good. Shit happens.
Nah, I'm not.
Still running.
I'm saying I was calling you to tell you about the little trick. Like, do it.
Okay.
Do it.
We
When
should
you-
have. We should have.
No.
Like that timing chain
We
that you know we didn't look at.
we ain't even talk about none of that. All that's already done. Didn't even say nothing about that on no vlogs.
Hold on. Did you at least get this, man?
That ground strap is still there.
The fans been talking about this forever.
I just left the ground strap.
I know
there.
you were doing the video and I was laughing because the ground strap was hanging in.
I was gonna take it off, and I was like, I had somewhere to go, so I was like, man, forget it. I was like, I'll hook it up later or something.
Good time. Man, this one's doing good. I'm
Yeah,
proud.
it's good.
See, this is what happens. Good work.
He gave you the dimes. Everyone else gets the shitty welds.
Whoa!
I told him. I said, bro, when it came to mine, I was like, he was on his best behavior.
He was sitting there little by little.
That's because I was there like, hey, bro, we gotta heat this up. We gotta make sure it's clean.
Hey, I did everybody else right too. It's okay. We got this man's on the left too. He's good. So everybody's good around here. So
I like it. I think everything came out
see,
good.
hey, we even tried to replicate this, but ours didn't look as good. But
Some you gotta pay the money to get it.
hold on,
You gotta pay to play.
Right there, it's already made up. We're ready to go. We just got welded it together,
Nah,
So-
you gotta pay to play. You might as well just get it.
Man.
Wait a couple weeks.
Yeah.
Bam.
and then it's just done. And then it's done. All right.
So y'all already. I don't know if y'all are familiar though, but he went and picked up Big Booty Judy. He got the TBSS black.
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows?
about that.
Oh, so
No.
I'll bleep it out. We won't tell
we're
them.
Good.
We telling them or we not telling them?
We gonna tell them. So ended up buying. I got the Blazer back. For
If yours is Big Booty Judy, that's like a black girl name. I gotta give her like a big booty white girl name. Christine. Big. Now we call her. This is Lorena though.
Yeah.
She's part Latina.
I mean,
Lorenas
Tina
are usually
girls
thick.
got the, you know.
Yeah.
Don't let my wife know, but you know.
Yeah, it's Lorena.
Yep.
Or we've already called her Lorena.
Yep. Nope. We ended up doing some wild shit with it. So I went to our block time. Their DSS so that's good.
All the shit he's saying, long story short, is gonna make like 1,400 horsepower.
Maybe more on kill. I'm at the point where like, if it doesn't hit what I want it to hit, then I'm just gonna park it in the garage and leave it there. Because I'm so
He's
much
still gonna
money
drive
into
it. It's gonna still be the
Oh,
fastest
still
shit
gonna-
that you've owned or built.
I mean,
You ain't built nothing else that's gonna be that fast yet.
I mean,
Yeah, your IS wasn't
no,
like.
it wasn't that fast. This
You ain't
is
even. You
cool.
probably even drove nothing that fast yet. You gonna probably be like, yo, this is enough.
I mean, I drove Vince's GTR that made 1800, and that was like
That's
the
cheating
whole
though.
drive.
It's a GTR.
Which I have another one on the corner right here. That's got to be some other stuff, but yeah. So I'm so much fucking money in it now.
Tell me about it.
It got ridiculous. After Mass sent the heads, the flow ratings on those are just wild. So hopefully we got some inlays. Yeah, right here.
Oh yeah, they sent us new inland bushings.
Bushings. Oh shit. So this is where I get to charge my hourly.
What your ass say? Nah.
What, you think you sponsored that?
So what was that? Her sponsor. The sponsor usually come with free shit or 50% discount.
It does, somewhat.
Hey, I'll pay you. Hey, you know how people be like, hey, bro, can you sponsor me? I'll pay you in exposure credits.
Is that what we get? I'll take exposure credits.
You're stupid.
I want a 50-second ad before every video. 50-second.
Hey guys, are you tired of your truck breaking down? Are you guys tired of being naturally aspirated, getting gapped by Corvettes, even Coyotes? Man, if you're sick of that and you want your pickup to be a rocket ship, you need to come to Horsepower Fab and ask for Cody Boaz. He'll get you right. I'm telling you, I got this infomercial shit. For the people that are victims of Cody, we're now in the middle of a settlement. You may experience mesothelioma. Man, the stock sway bar already look hella thick though. I feel like I wasted money.
You're blown out bushings.
You're blown out bushing. You said it's bigger? Man, I got ripped off.
It's just painted. It's just painted.
The ends are girthier though.
They sent me a stock one with more holes in it. Dude, I waited like almost 3 months for this stupid thing.
Yep. Because they had to go pull it off another truck and powder coat.
Right? No, it is bigger. It's hella bigger.
The ends are thicker too.
Get some coilovers and go straight. I think that's the rear, sir.
That's the rear.
Yeah, maybe it'll actually go straight now.
That'd be nice.
It would be. It actually goes straight. No idea where this is gonna go.
We're gonna learn today.
Everybody's gonna learn. Today on the Mike Show, Cody learns how to install a new rear sway bar on a truck. We're gonna figure this out. I think the exhaust is gonna hit.
I don't think it goes that way.
No, it definitely.
We gotta go on
There you go. Son.
Google.
Yep, we're gonna Google this. We'll be right back.
That new sway bar.
Ooh, drop a nut.
You dropped the nuts.
Drop a nut.
I'm over here in my roll around chair. Another day in the office, you know what I'm saying?
So pull this top one off.
All right, so Cody and Z's over here still working on the front. Had to lower the truck, that way they can get the little rod all the way through. But unfortunately, man, they didn't send us the rear fucking hardware that we needed to get the rear on. So I just called them. They said they're gonna be sending the rear stuff out. So it looks like we're gonna be stuck with just the fronts. So would have liked to get the rear on, that way I can get a comparison, see how this thing feels with the rear, front and rear, but don't look like that's happening. So we'll probably get the rest of the hardware maybe Thursday. They say Thursday, but probably Friday, hopefully. All right, so here's our new sway bar.
Right.
Sucks we ain't gonna be able to get the back on, but
It's okay. They didn't send you the hardware.
that just means Cody has to see me again.
Hey, that means you gotta see me again.
So we're gonna troll the trans builder.
Hey. We got some problems. Mike's training let go. He over here causing a storm. Apparently they made like 800 wheel. Yeah, they made like...
His face, like, bro, what the?
We're just fucking with you. We're just fucking with you. So, still living. We're just doing maintenance. So.
Yeah, I told him let's troll you real quick on the tube. He was all silent. He was just like, that was like the funny reaction. What's good, man?
He just wants to tell you
Yeah.
thank you for that tranny that's
So
still holding.
yeah, everything's holding. I want to know if you'd rebuild my C6 trans for me.
Yeah, I can rebuild anything you want, just a matter of price and that's it.
It's good. Oh, sound like it's gone.
Sound like it's gone. There we go.
You about to start hitting the what you call that?
Yep.
The Fortnite dances.
Yep. There we go. Just like my kids.
No more exhaust leak. Maybe I'll get my boost back.
Maybe. That's how we do it. See?
Only if we had a rear sway bar.
That's
Go do
next
donuts.
Time. That's next time. That's next time's video. So, you want to do donuts?
I'll swing it.
Let me swing it.
I'll let you swing it.
Only with you riding though.
Nah, I'm gonna record it from the outside.
You got swung mad.
Dude, I swung it, but I didn't swing it on video. I didn't swing it already
I'll
though.
swing it for you.
So I know it's swang.
You know I can get down a little bit. In the S15 that we don't talk about. Whoops.
You guys haven't seen this thing do donuts. I'm gonna let Cody swing this thing one time. I'm gonna let him whip it. He built this, so I don't mind him swinging it one time for the one time. I've already swung it, so I know this thing slides hella good. Slides pretty decent for a truck. Run! Smells good.
Hey.
Let Cody kill some tires.
I'm just warning you, they're gonna call the cops on you, so don't touch it.
I wasn't driving. Do what you gotta do. The fuck?
Hey, that was comfortable.
Yeah, it slides hella good.
Like, that was a little bit of brake input, and it was like, yeah, it was moving. I kept it low. Feel good.
I was sliding in drive. Just leaving in drive.
Sounded pretty good.
It is sound good.
Yeah. Not too bad, huh?
It swing though.
I bless the block.
Your neighbor says she's calling the police.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, well, you better go.
She's like, I'm just letting you guys know I'm calling the cops.
Is that what she said?
Yeah.
Whoops.
Whoopsie.
You better go.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck them niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better. Run up.